They have the cutest things. That is so cute.
That is adorable.
Aw, I like that they're sleeping. It does taste like a cheesecake, but not like overpowering.
So I always kind of felt
Hey guys, so I look like a hot mess. I'm about to jump in the shower and get ready. I have to go to the bank. And then after that, I have to go get some water for Mr. Ozzy. Listen, that little guy, because we've always given him like good water, if we try to give him tap water, just like try, he won't. He smells it and he's like, excuse me, why are you tricking me? Like, it's hilarious. So I have to get the little guy some water, and then later tonight, me and Richard are going out on a date night to Chili's. We looked at some of their foods and it just looks so delicious. So we were like, let's just go and have fun. Spend a little time together. Let's get ready because you girls. Oh, we're at Smith's getting some stuff. I'm gonna get some Coca-Cola for this guy. Hey guys, so we just got ourselves a Peloton bike. The way that we did it, you guys, is that we're going to rent it, but you can rent to buy. I think that's what it is. Yes. So I think we paid right now $150, and then that's just like for the shipping and stuff. And we get the bike on the 22nd of this month, which is cool. And then all you have to pay is $89 a month for the subscription, obviously. But let's say in 3-6 months we want to buy it, we have the option to do that. So I'm so excited, you guys. I love Peloton. I'm a Peloton girl now, you can say. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get it. Hey guys, so we're at Chili's right now. We're just waiting. It's a little packed, so we were like, okay. But it says on the app that it's what, like a 4 or 5 minute?
4 to 15 minute wait.
4 to 15 minute wait. But yeah, we're just sitting in the car waiting. But yeah, it is boiling hot. It is 91 Fahrenheit, you guys, and it is 8:18. So it is getting hot. Summer's coming. Well, summer's already here, I believe. I feel like it skips like spring and it just summer. Like, that's what we get for desert weather, you know. Hey guys, so I just finished the Ellison apartments. I won't be doing the video today just because I have a few other things that I need to do that is going to take a lot of the time. So me trying to edit this beautiful video is just gonna not make it to the cutoff time that I want to put it out. So I might put that out tomorrow or Thursday. Also, I want to like add things to it, so that's why it's gonna take a little bit. And also look at my skin. It is purging. I did a facial and it is just purging right now, and yeah, I want to look decent when I do apartment tours or like when I talk to you guys and stuff, and not have like this big thing. I feel like it looks like a big hickey, but it isn't. It's just my skin is purging. The beauty of facials and trying to always look all right. I don't mind looking like this, but hopefully I get all the information and then I can put out this video, because I need this video to be out, you guys. I love these apartments, you guys. Like, these apartments, not gonna lie, I think that they're better than the Evora and Vestras, just saying, because they don't do like lifestyle fees or like amenity fees, which is a huge plus, because here in Vegas they like to charge that a lot. So I just have a few things, so that's why I'm rushing, but I'm like, I want to get this video out, but I also want to put out a good video. I'm in my storage unit now. I made it here. I have to get a few things. I need to get this here. All right, let's see what I can get. The struggles of being tiny. I'm 5'2", okay? I'm freaking tiny. Okay, this is gonna take a minute. Why did I come here by myself? I'm trying to find like camera lights. And I don't even know where to start. And also Richard pretty much, he put this like in a way that it's so neat, and now I'm like, great, I'm not as neat as him. Thank you. Of course I find a miniature instead. Actually, it's not bad. Got Optimus Prime here. It is a drinking cup. So cool. We got this in 2013. That's a long time ago. And then my dad gave me this when he came. It's a wombat in 2013. See? Feeling it's in the suitcase. Guys, I'm freaking sweating. Well, if you ever want to do cardio, go to your storage place, go to your garage, start working on things. I am sweating. I'm disgusting. I cannot find my damn lights. Like, me and Richard are gonna have to come later because I cannot find it for the life of me. Either I'm blind or I don't know. I have searched. Look. No lights. Hey guys, so I got this mirror out of the bin today. I don't know why they were chucking it. I feel like it's still like intact. Like it has some like scuff marks and stuff on the top, but honestly I was quite surprised that they were chucking it. And now that's how it looks. That's the closer right there, so I feel like I put it perfectly. All right guys, so I got my Peloton today. I'm so excited. Look at it. I'm so excited, you guys. She's here.